Menteri Badikmi ikatanat kakwat kakia ke Sarkar Jela uba James PK Sangma haba play ke second phase juga ICMR STEMI Act project ha banquet hall Pinewood Hotel Shillong ha ka arpsan tarik urimpang arhajar arpuar ula ai kublay ke North Eastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Science kabalawan ra ai kini ke project ula ong bakane kande ke jingmentoy ya ki badon jing shitom klong snam khamtam ki breu ki buduna ya kayo kakot na mari ki dawai dashin baro umdan kamban COAA lingba kani ka project. Ula ong ba kalong kajing sarong ba ka ICMR kala jiet ya ka NEIGRIHMS kum ka Nodal Center ban pentrekam ya kani ka scheme ha ka jela.
I have full belief and faith that this will bring about an environment which will save so many lives in the future. And for this, we are indeed very grateful to Professor Nalin Mehtaji and his entire team for having come up with the ideas and for having partnered with the government of Meghalaya to bring this about. As we have already heard from Dr. Amit Malviya and also from Professor Mehta, that this is indeed something of a need which was urgently required. And I think that it's not just about the fact that the medicines will come free of cost, and these are very expensive medicines, mind you, costing from about 20,000 to 25,000. And these expensive medicines are sometimes not affordable by many people, especially economically weaker sections. And it's not just about the fact that these medicines will come free of cost, but the fact, as was already explained to us, that in an instance when we are all rushing for the golden period of 90 minutes, wherein a cardiologist is not available, that is that point of time where a matter of few minutes here and there can cost the life of a person having cardiac arrest. And this is really something that by bringing technology, by having an app which will ensure that the ECG, whichever is taken of the patient, will be referred to the cardiologist at NEIGRIHMS, and immediately within a matter of few minutes, whether this medicine can be administered or not will be prescribed by the concerned cardiologist. This is something that really, it's so simple when we look at it, but in terms of effectiveness, it will really go, I believe, a very, very long way in making sure that we will be able to save countless number of lives. As we have already heard that this system has been given to us by ICMR, and indeed we are very, very fortunate that the hub for this region NEIGRIHMS has been selected as the hub. And we are also very happy that 8 spokes will be part of this system of hub and spoke, and these 8 spokes will be the Civil Hospital of Shillong, the Ganesh Das Maternity and Child Hospital, the Reed Provincial Chest Hospital, the Dr. H. Gordon Robert Hospital, Nazareth Hospital, Woodland Hospital, Supercare Hospital and Bethany Hospital. These will be the spokes where these medicines will be available. The only thing which will be required is the uploading of the ECGs and the necessary diagnostics for reference to the cardiologist at NEIGRIHMS, who will authorize the use of this medicine, which will save lives within the golden period of 90 minutes.
Dr. Nalin Mehta, Director ke NEIGRIHMS ula pentip bakani ke projek kan pej benya iki bentar ben sumar biang por yaki badon jing shitom klong snam. Ula ong bakador sumar kamde ka bahe bat hapdeng ka arpau lane arpsan hajar tingka. Kiwei ki balay don lang ki kentup yu Dr. Amit Malvia, Principal Investigator kani ka project ka kong MN Nampoy, Commissioner and Secretary katatat ka kwait ka kya ka kong RM Kurba, Secretary bu Dr. Aman War, DHS, nalor kiwei pat.
So this particular project wherein I would say it's a matter of pride for Meghalaya that we have been chosen as the hub for the Northeast region. And the Department of Health has been extremely cooperative. We have had support from 8 hospitals within Shillong to serve the people of Shillong. And this medication, which is pretty expensive otherwise, will benefit especially those who can't afford it. I would reiterate that when somebody has a heart attack, some of which can be treated through intervention but some require this medication, unfortunately because of the time taken to reach the hospital and also some patients not being eligible for thrombolysis, despite the expensive medication, they do not get the benefit because at times they reach hospital where they may not have a cardiologist at hand immediately. Now, technology marrying with healthcare delivery here, where immaterial of whether a cardiologist is present or not, the minute a patient reaches a hospital, the ECG is taken by the technician there. Every hospital has an ECG machine, even a primary health center can. That ECG record through this dedicated app is sent to NEIGRIHMS, where our cardiologists are available 24/7, round the clock. The minute the ECG comes, they analyze the ECG and tell the peripheral spoke whether this patient merits or does not merit the thrombolytic agent. And if the patient merits, then the thrombolytic agent is administered within minutes. So it takes just that transfer of the app, the ECG on the app and the decision taken in minutes. So within the golden period, we can save many lives. I am extremely happy that we are able to offer this to the people of Meghalaya. But I will also reiterate that the first, or primary way of getting, rid of heart ailments is precautionary. So we must emphasize on lifestyle improvement. But for those who are unfortunate and get into trouble, we have a solution. And the solution is now available in 8 spokes. And I would like to express my gratitude once again to the Honorable Minister and to the Department of Health for cooperating with us at every stage, because not very often do we all get together like this.